Hey guys, it's Nancy with Better Life Blog, and today we are making an infusible ink makeup bag. I'm combining infusible ink with heat transfer vinyl. If you don't know what infusible ink is, this stuff is so cool. It's made by Cricut. It is basically an ink pattern that you use kind of like heat transfer vinyl, but this stuff does not peel or crack or fade or anything like that. It literally infuses the ink to the fabric that you're using or the surface that you're using. It's really cool. So what you do is you cut out your infusible ink just like as if you're cutting out heat transfer vinyl, except with a slightly different setting, but you're going to want to mirror it just the same. And then what I'm doing here is I am placing this face down with some heat resistant tape just to kind of keep it secure, face down on my surface. And then you're going to want to use the butcher paper that comes with the package of your infusible ink, because they always include some. And then you want to press it down. Now I am using my old Cricut Easy Press on the maximum setting, but if you have an Easy Press 2, that's even better. And then what you want to do is you want to carefully and gently remove that, and look, the ink has been completely infused to the fabric. It's so cool. Now I've got some heat transfer vinyl here, which I am weeding, and I am placing this right on top, and it just gives it this really cool look. I am applying this as I would normally apply heat transfer vinyl. If you guys want the full instructions for this project, I go through it step by step in the blog post. Make sure you check out the description box. It's got the link there for you. And you can also get this cut file for free. Plus we've got all kinds of other cool stuff on the blog. So I hope that you will join us. I hope that you'll get this free file. Plus there's tons of other good freebies on the blog, as well as some really exciting and neat projects that I make with my VIP Crafters Club members. If you are not a member, or if you don't know what it is, all you have to do is visit the link in the description box to join thousands of other members by joining us at VIP Crafters Club. When you join VIP Crafters Club, you will get instant access to this file and tons of others, plus you'll get access to all the projects that you're looking at right now. VIP Crafters Club is a digital monthly craft subscription. It's perfect for beginners and experienced Cricut and Silhouette crafters. Every month, I provide you with brand new cut files, a list of materials, and a complete step-by-step tutorial so that you can create a new and interesting project from start to finish. Something that really stretches your creativity and challenges you to do something new and different with your Cricut or your Silhouette. You will get lots of amazing projects and cut files. Every month there's something new. My members tell me it feels like Christmas. Plus, small business commercial use is included. We even have a live virtual crafting party once a month where we craft virtually together. We share our creations. It's so much fun, and lots of wonderful members get to share and craft with each other. It's a really, really special thing to be a part of. So I want to encourage you to check it out, learn a little bit more, join our amazing community with thousands of other Cricut and Silhouette crafters just like you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I cannot wait to see you inside.